Hi guys, we have this new voice changer. I think it will become very handy when you're playing with your friends or streaming and stuff like that. As we can see in the box, it's compatible with PS4, PS5, on Xbox One and S, on your cell phone, an iPad, and the Nintendo Switch. It's a very diverse device. So here we see how you can set it up. You can see it's quite easy. So let's open it. Okay, it's nice that it comes with its own instructions because, I mean, sometimes you need those instructions to set it up. It comes with their own cables, so you don't have to worry about it. And now, this is the most important part of this: the voice changer. I think its size is very practical. I like it. You just turn it on like this. Right now it's on, as you can see with the light, and you can change by pressing the different buttons. This will be like the female voice, the baby one, the monster, and this must be the volume or how you change it. You turn the volume down and you turn the volume up. I think it will become handy, so let's test them right now. Let me just get the computer and my games so we can change our voice while we're playing. Come on. Okay, so right now we're already using the voice changer. Right now I set it to reverb. That is, well, you could say that it's like the first configuration of your audio. So right now you can use it to change your voice while you're playing games like I'm doing right now. Just I don't have a camera so you can see my face. But anyways, so this is how the reverb sounds. So let's try another one like
the male, but I think you can change how
it sounds.
I hope. So right now I'm a male, so I don't think it will be that much of a difference. So I mean, if you like these kind of things, it could be used to play jokes with your friends. Now I'm going to try the female one.
I don't know how it sounds. I hope it does sound good. I mean, that's the whole point of getting one of those, and I like it. I mean, yeah, it's fun. Now, this one is the one I was more excited to use.
And it's a monster one. I don't know how it will sound. I'll have to check the recording, but I'm gonna be honest. This one was the one I was hoping the most, the one I'm most excited, and I mean, I obviously won't get disappointed. So I'll just play a little bit more while we are on the monster one. I think you can also adjust the tone of the monster one. But let's end this with this race. I think eventually I'm gonna get to the bigger one. That's how we do it, man. Okay, the fun thing of these kind of things is when you're playing with your friends, you wanna spend a joke. That's the most fun you can get out of these devices. But still, being alone, they are certainly very fun to use. So, I'm gonna stop now and see how did my voice did change.